Hello everyone, this is Hassan from Mouthful Economics. In this video, we will mathematically find out equilibrium. Meaning, we will find out equilibrium price, and equilibrium quantity. We have our market demand function Heywood is equal to 50 minus twice P, and market supply function minus 10 plus P. For demand function, using intercept method, we can write Q divided by 50 plus P divided by 25 equal to 1, and for supply function Q divided by minus 10 plus P divided by 10 equal to 1, and we can show them on a diagram. It provides this is the quantity axis, quantity O, price, this is 25, this is 50, we join this point to this point, we get the demand curve, so this is minus 10, and this is 10, we join this point with this point and extend the line. We get the supply curve. So this point is the equilibrium with equilibrium price P and equilibrium quantity Q. And at equilibrium what happens? Quantity demand is equal to quantity supply. We can use this argument to find out the mathematical value of equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity. We can write at equilibrium quantity demand is equal to quantity supply. Now instead of quantity demand we can write 50 minus twice P is equal to minus 10 plus P. Or we can write minus twice P minus P is equal to minus 10 minus P. Therefore, minus twice P is equal to minus 60. Then P is equal to minus 60 divided by minus 3. Therefore, we can say equilibrium price PE is equal to 20. Why this is equilibrium price? Because at this price, quantity demand is equal to quantity supply. Now, if we put the value of equilibrium price in this function or in this function, we can find out equilibrium quantity. So, equilibrium quantity will be QE, which will be equal to minus 10 plus 20 or 10. We have put the equilibrium price in the supply function. Same thing will happen if we put it in the demand function. If we put P is equal to 20, then 2 into 20 is 40, 50 minus 40 is equal to 10. So equilibrium quantity QE is equal to 10. We can write equilibrium price is 20 and equilibrium quantity is 10. So this point is here. For equilibrium quantity you can write 10, and for equilibrium price you can write 20. Now instead of using demand function and supply function, we can change them a bit. Say we had the demand function Q is equal to 50 minus twice P. This can be written as twice P is equal to 50 minus Q, or P is equal to 25 minus half Q. And if we write D here, it means inverse demand function, or price demand function. Similarly, for supply function, we have Q is equal to minus 10 plus P, or P is equal to 10 plus Q. It is known as inverse supply function. Now, to find out equilibrium, we can say at equilibrium PD is equal to PS. Why? Because if we look at the figure here, at equilibrium, both the demand curve, this one, and the supply curve, this one, have same price for same quantity. So we can write PT equal to PS at equilibrium. Now, instead of writing PD, we can write 25 minus half Q is equal to 10 plus Q. So from here we can say 25 minus 10 is equal to half of Q plus Q. So here we can have half of Q plus Q is equal to 15, 10. 3 by 2Q is equal to 15. Therefore, we can say Q is equal to 30 divided by 3. That means 10, which is equilibrium quantity. Now, if we put this value of equilibrium quantity in this inverse demand function or in this inverse supply function, we can find out equilibrium price. PE is equal to 10 plus 10. That means 20. Equilibrium quantity is equal to 10 and equilibrium price is equal to 20. Well, this is all for now. Don't forget to practice. There is one disclaimer though, not a native English speaker, therefore following my grammar and pronunciation is subject to tremendous risk. Anyway, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Want to learn more? Follow the link in the description below. Bye bye.